Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start with a 1/16 scale rectangle for a 140-inch wheelbase, about 8.75 inches long on paper. This establishes the truck's footprint and keeps the Ford F350 Dually proportional. Mark 2 wheel centers per axle, spaced 3.5 inches apart for dually rear wheels so the rear looks wide and balanced. Use a horizontal horizon line and a 2-point perspective grid for accurate cab and bed placement. Sketch the cab as a smaller rectangle occupying roughly 1/3 of the wheelbase. Leave space for a long bed and fender flares. Draw the cab rectangle 1/3 of the wheelbase and the bed rectangle 2/3 long to match the heavy-duty profile of an F350 Dually. Add fender flares over each rear wheel with a 3/8-inch overhang on your sketch for realism, and indicate the dual tires by outlining 2 concentric circles per rear wheel center. Place the grille, hood slope, and side mirrors using vertical guides at the front third. Keep the hood low and wide. Lightly erase construction lines and refine the door seams and running boards. Refine contours. Smooth the hood, define the wheel arches, and carve the bed edges with confident strokes to capture the Ford F350's mass. Ink or darken final lines, then add shadows under the truck and 25% tonal shading on wheel wells and under the bed to create depth. Render chrome details like grille and mirrors with small highlights and a 3-point glare on glass, and indicate tire tread with short parallel strokes. Finish by erasing stray marks and comparing proportions to the initial 1/16 scale rectangle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.